Mulch Queen Ruth Stout was best known for her no-work gardening books and techniques. In 1920, she discovered she could use a layer of straw on the ground to plant her garden. 20 years ago, this was a great way to plant a garden. In those days, there were no harmful chemicals like the herbicide Grazon made by a Dow Chemical company in the hair straw. Here are the avocado trees. I grew these from seeds, and they are all organic. They're doing really well here in the greenhouse. Summer they took a beating with all the hot wind. My dragon fruit, strawberry plants right here, doing great. It's growing, growing, growing. And my okra is growing. Let's see if I can find it. There's an okra right there and up here. And it didn't do anything this summer. I planted it at the time we were supposed to plant, but it really didn't do anything. And over here is my eggplants, and they have flowers, but they haven't really done anything except they have taken off since the weather has cooled down, actually. And here is a lonely, right here, pepper plant, and it has grown a lot, and it did have peppers on it. Aha, I think I see a pepper. Right back there is a pepper. That's a jalapeno. No, that's a habanero. I bought this specifically, it's cayenne pepper. And I'm growing them so that I can make a pain oil from my own peppers. And this will be cayenne pepper oil that I make with it. And I have two plants, and this one is actually doing very well. And this plant here is from the chicken seeds, so I haven't a clue what that's going to be. And over here we have more plants that I just threw out from the chicken feed. Everything from black sunflower seeds to all kinds of different grains. There is so much out there saying that straw bales and hay have so many pesticides in it that it can kill your ground, and you would not be able to plant anything for years in that area. So I thought we had hit on a great solution with the straw, but I don't want to risk it. Everything we do here is organic. I don't want to have anything here that could harm our water. Straw bales, I'm not sure that I'll ever do that again. It just is too big a risk. Now, this also goes for going to your friends or somebody you know and getting their dirtied straw to use as a mulch or for composting, because the animals eat that, they get rid of it, but it still has that chemical in there that can ruin your gardens. That's why I'm not going to be using the straw, and I'm not going to get used straw from anyone that uses store-bought straw or hay. You know, I guess you could say the good side of having cows, free-range cattle roaming onto the property is they leave their little presents everywhere. That's going to be safe to use because the ranchers out here pretty much don't feed them. Celebrate your life. Thank you, everybody.